Gyan Sagar Educational Group presents eSchool.
Hello children, today we will learn another new words which is starting from SH sound and ending from SH sound. इनमें से कुछ वर्ड्स SH साउंड से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं और कुछ वर्ड SH साउंड पर एंड हो रहे हैं. ओके, तो चिल्ड्रन लेट्स स्टार्ट हाउ टू रीड SH साउंड. SH का साउंड क्या होता है? What is the sound of SH? Shh. Okay, children. Now let's start. SHE she. SHE she. SHOP shop. SHOP shop. SHUT shut. SHUT shut. SHIP ship. SHIP ship. SHOE shoe. SHOE shoe. SHED shed. SHED shed. SHOW show. SHOW show. SHOOT shoot. SHOOT shoot. RUSH rush. अभी देखिए ये जो वर्ड है कहाँ से एंड हो रहा है? SH साउंड पर एंड हो रहा है. ओके, RUSH rush. DISH dish. DISH dish. FISH fish. FISH fish. WISH wish. WISH wish. Now children, once again repeat with me. SHE she. SHOP shop. SHUT shut. SHIP ship. SHOE shoe. SHED shed. SHOW show. SHOOT shoot. RUSH rush. DISH dish. FISH fish. WISH wish. So children, what did we learn today? SH sound words. And what is the sound of SH? Shh. Shh. Okay children, have a nice day.